Hi, Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I'm here to talk to you about some of the features of this Lance, this 2019 Lance 1475. It's a really small guy, but it packs quite a bit inside, and it weighs about 3,175 pounds. And for this low profile and slim and its narrow, low profile and narrow width, you get a lot of gear inside. Just start with the smart tongue jack. Remember, it's kind of the heights of which you will set it down onto your hitch ball, take it off your hitch ball, and when you're having it ring rested. It's a really smart little feature that Lance actually builds into a lot of their units. It's pretty cool. As you probably noticed right off the bat, you have a front window. It's acrylic windows. It offers a lot of light in these little guys. You have a 14-foot 7-inch floor plan, so it's even under 20 feet length. And in that length, you still get a ton of storage. This true pass-through storage has some of the really smart features. I think that this is something that should be going into a lot of bigger trailers instead of having to put a bin and then another bin and then another bin and then taking those out one by one and crawling inside. It really makes it super easy for all your storage that goes underneath. And this pins into place, so it's not going anywhere either once you get it inside. Plus there's still extra room down there and access to this from a drawer actually that opens up underneath the bed. It's really smart, a lot of use of the space. And before we go inside, I just want to point out the Truma hot water system here. It's a tankless hot water system. It recirculates the hot water, so it's hot right when you turn on the shower. And I'll just walk inside this unit, and so we can have a look at what a 14-foot floor plan can really be. And right off the bat, you walking in, you have your 5 cubic foot fridge, freezer, and cooling part. It's a really big fridge for something of this floor plan. If we kind of walk straight in, a lot of actual counter space here, which is really nice. You actually still have your 3-burner stove with that backsplash that folds away and mounts flush for a little extra use of the space. Your big single basin sink, a really nice pull faucet handle. Plus, all the windows have a really nice feature, which I think is really cool. They have a blackout shade complete in a cassette, so no light gets in from the sides either. Plus you have the screens, and you can actually detach those, and so you can have the screen completely separate or the blackout completely separate, or have nothing in the way at all. Really smart feature here. You have your east-west bed. It's a queen-size bed, and plus you have that huge window in the front. It adds a lot of light to this unit. You have Lance quality too, so all your surfaces, your ceilings, your walls and your floor, they're all solid plywood here. And in that slide out, actually in the main space, you have a really nice couch here that kicks out into a recliner. There's 2 recliners on this, and it's in a slide out in a 14-foot floor plan, which is really unheard of. Right next to the bed, you have your hanging closet space here. Plus, you're still not lacking for space underneath. They do some really smart kind of design choices that really think about how you're going to use the trailer and what it's going to do for you. Over the top storage, LED lights all throughout. You have your microwave right above your hood. Your entire media center really push button at hand, and your television is going to be in an articulating arm too. That's a pretty sizable television for something of this length as well. If we walk all the way into the rear, we have our bathroom. It's a dry bath, which is really nice in something of this size. You have your shower booth with a curtain and a nice little medicine cabinet. If you have any other questions about this Lance or any other Lance we have on lot, give me a call, 773-655-7190, or stop by Guaranty in Junction City. Hope to see you soon.